Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Saturn. Rules Capricorn, sub-ruler Aquarius, exaltation Libra, detriment Cancer, fall Aries, responsible, good or bad result of action. Jif, sickle of Kronos, the god of time, represents urge for security and safety. Anatomy, the skin, the skeletal system, including the teeth, ligaments, knees, left ear and auditory organs, gallbladder, parathyroid glands, body protein. Keyword, the teacher. General, rules form, discipline, responsibility, organization, ambition, capacity for a career, limitations, sorrows and delays. Saturn rules theories and scientific law, older persons, depth, patience, timing, tradition, conventionality, orthodoxy and productive use of time. Saturn represents the principles of truth, of contraction, of solidification, of wisdom and of aging. Its action is slow and lasting. Saturn is the taskmaster of the horoscope. In earlier times it was known as the Greater Malefic. Where you find Saturn in the horoscope is where you feel least secure and tend to overcompensate. The second house, mind. The second house shows financial affairs, values, freedom, inner and outer, resources, earning ability, possessions. Natural sign is Taurus. Natural ruler is Venus. Keyword is values. The second is a house of substance and earth. Quality is succeedent house. General. The second house shows financial affairs, possessions, except real estate, investments, earning power, and any gain or loss through your own efforts. It indicates your inner talents and resources, your need for fulfillment, your emotional feelings, your sense of self-worth and your sense of values. Since many people believe that liberty is largely a matter of money, this is the house of personal liberty. It is also the house of material debt. Saturn in second house. The planet Saturn placed in the second house of your birth chart suggests that money is serious business, with your personal finances needing careful thought and planning. Your ability to make money is influenced by other aspects of your chart. If you have good influences, you are able to slowly and steadily earn your personal income through hard work and careful investment. Maybe you work hard, but only seem to be making enough money to pay your bills, with little left over for luxuries. You could suffer monetary losses due to job loss or reckless investments. Don't let a lack of money affect your self-esteem, but learn to value the other achievements and assets in your life. The good news is that the planet Saturn is teaching us lessons through the School of Hard Knocks. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.